quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c which is equal to 0, condition must be applied a not equal to 0. Alpha and beta are two roots of equation, two roots of quadratic equation. Okay na? Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Second is the product of the roots c by a. Next alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 into alpha beta. Fourth one, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Fifth one, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to alpha beta by alpha plus beta by alpha plus alpha beta. Sixth one, alpha minus beta which is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha minus beta is equal to root of 4 alpha beta.